for the General Colonel James Schoonmaker Ship. Look at all the math that's here that could be happening on in Toledo, Ohio, in the Glass City. It uses 358 gallons per hour. How many ounces, fluid ounces is that? How many cups is that? There's so much math that can be learned. 23 gallons per statute mile. How long is a statute mile? How many gallons is 23 gallons? It can be measured and converted so many different ways using multiplication and division. 228 feet per gallon. That's how far it can travel on 1 gallon. How far can it travel on 10 gallons? How far can it travel on 100 gallons? How far can it travel on 1,000 gallons? Let's bring the math into the class. Let's bridge social studies and science so math can actually be fun again. Look at this entire engine room on this ship. It is the heart of the ship, and it has to have, in this entire ship, it takes gas, but it also takes water. I just learned that water is recycled here on ships. Once they bring a ship, the water for them to use within the toilets and just throughout the entire ship, they recycle that water. Let's talk about the recycling process. What's that looking like? We can bring that into math. How much water could they bring here? Everything can be quantified for us to bring the realism and talk about this engine. And I'm telling you this, you can get something inside your students and get them an engine so they can go where they want to go. But if you need your teachers to get some gas in their engine, if you need students to get gas in their engine, JohnsonLearningSystems.com and Math Fluency and Problem Solving will give your students the practice that they need to have the gas and the engine and the recycling to keep going and going and going into their mathematician. Let's go, JohnsonLearningSystems.com.